All right, this is Skip Fitch from Street Noise Customs, and this is a 2014 Harley Street Glide. We did a headlight replacement with a new 7-inch LED headlight fixture. That's the low beams. And that's the high beams. It's pretty bright. It's relatively straightforward installation. The light fixture itself costs $299, which is about $200 cheaper than Harley's fixture, and then we charge $100 to put it in. So, you know, $400, you get a brand new headlight, LED headlight, super bright. Come on down to Street Noise today and let's upgrade the headlight on your newer Harley 2014 and up.